Salut à tous, bienvenue sur Squala Militaire Room, je suis Nicéphore et aujourd'hui nous nous retrouvons sur Destroyer the U-Boat Hunter et nous allons continuer la carrière du jeu. Donc là, nous sommes arrivés à la mission 8 et nous allons patrouiller près de Saint John pour escorter un convoi de navires à travers l'Atlantique. Donc on va voir si cette mission va être un peu mieux que les autres parce que dernièrement j'ai reçu une moyenne générale minable et l'amiral m'a engueulé. Donc on va essayer de sauver les meubles, de faire ce qu'on peut. Le tout c'est de finir la campagne et de sauver à peu près plus ou moins la Grande-Bretagne. Voilà. Voilà.
Contact Able now bears 0, forward, niner, range 5,300 yards.
C'est bon.
Ready depth charges, shallow pattern, engines ahead standard.
All engines ahead standard. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Air support on station.
Course 0, 4, Contact
9. Aye,
Able now bears 0, forward, niner, range 4,900 yards.
Black Cat reporting. Black Cat reporting.
Black Cat, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact. Able.
Roger. Black Cat attacking contact. Able.
Contact Able now bears 0, forward, niner, range 4,400 yards. Contact Able now bears 0, forward, 8, range 3,900 yards.
0, 4, 8. Aye, sir.
On va essayer de couler Able.
Contact Able now bears 0, forward, 8, range 3,300 yards. 4, 8, course 0, 4, 8. Aye, sir. Contact Able now bears 0, forward, 7, range 2,800 yards. 0, 4, 7, course 0, 4, 7. Aye, sir.
Donc là on va être à 2 sur Able.
Contact Able now bears 0, forward, 7, range 2,200 yards. 4, 7, course 0, 4, 7. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Subsided northeast, 7 miles from convoy.
Ok, bon c'est Able.
Contact Able. Combat sonar. New sonar contact. Bearings 0, 4, 6. Range 1,600 yards.
Course 0, 4, 6. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Engaging sub.
All engines ahead 1/3.
All engines ahead.
Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 0, 4, 5. Range 1,300 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 0, 4, 5. Range 1,200 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Able. Now bears 0, 4, 5. Range 1,200 yards. Contact increasing depth. Combat sonar. Lost contact. Able. Last bearing 0, 4, 5. Last range 1,100 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Periscope feather sighted. Northeast, 6 miles from convoy. Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Drop depth charges on sub. Direct hit, sub sinking.
Ah, bravo. Bravo à Black Cat. Non mais il est très fort Black Cat. Bon, donc direction Cap 240.
New course, 240. Course, 240. Aye, sir.
Bridge, starboard lookout. Oil slick bearing 046. Bridge, starboard lookout. Oil slick bearing 046.
All escorts. Contact Able has most likely been sunk by a Black Cat. Well done.
Bravo Black Cat. Donc on a mis au Cap 240 pour revenir vers le convoi. Ensuite on va faire demi-tour et puis on va continuer notre route. Voilà. Là par exemple on a Bloodhunt, nous, on a Black Cat, Oki, Maple, Mounty et Antler. C'est là qu'on doit
Surface
avoir
radar has a new contact.
l'armée
Bearing
de sous-marins.
022. Range 3,800 yards.
Bridge, combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 022.
Range.
3,800 yards. I designate contact.
Baker.
Time 11:22.
Black Cat reporting.
Black Cat, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact. Baker.
Roger. Black Cat attacking contact. Baker.
Contact Baker now bears 024. Range 3,800 yards. Course 024. Aye, sir. Contact Baker now bears 026. Range 3,900 yards.
026. Aye, sir.
Contact Baker now bears 028. Range 3,600 yards.
28. Aye, sir.
All engines ahead 1/3.
All engines ahead 1/3. Aye, sir.
On va laisser Black
Contact
Cat.
Baker now bears 027. Range 3,000 yards. 27. Course 027. Aye, sir. All engines ahead 2/3.
All engines
Bloodhound.
ahead
This is
2/3.
Black Cat.
Aye, sir.
Subsided. Northeast. 7 miles from convoy.
Contact Baker now bears 025. Range 2,700 yards. 025. Course 025. Aye, sir. Lost contact. Baker, last bearing 025. Last range 2,500 yards.
Bloodhound. This is Black Cat. Engaging sub. Bloodhound. This is Black Cat. Periscope feather sighted. Northeast. 7 miles from convoy.
Contact perdu. Donc là, on va aller au 200.
All engines ahead standard.
All engines ahead
240.
standard. Aye, sir.
New course 240. Course 240. Aye, sir.
Enfin, quand je jouerai à Silent Hunter 3, faut que je fasse gaffe aux avions. Alors, dit quand il y a des avions, je fais crash dive et puis ils me repèrent pas, quoi.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 322. Range 5,700 yards.
Bridge, combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 322. Range 5,700 yards. I designate contact Charlie. Time 11:26.
Lost contact. Charlie. Last bearing 323. Last range 5,200 yards. Combat sonar. New sonar contact. Bearing 042. Range 2,400 yards.
Roger. Black Cat on the way to patrol area north of convoy. Black Cat reporting.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact, Charlie.
Roger. Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 049. Range 2,400 yards. Strong propeller noise.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Charlie, bearing 327. Range 5,100 yards from Bloodhound.
Ah. Donc nous on va attaquer Baker puisqu'on y était.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 058. Range 2,200 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 059. Range 2,100 yards. Bearing steady.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Charlie, last known bearing 322. Range 4,700 yards from Bloodhound.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 059. Range 1,700 yards. Bearing steady.
Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 059. Range 1,300 yards. Strong propeller noise. New course 059. Course 059. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 058. Range 900 yards. Contact increasing depth.
5, 8. Aye, sir.
All engines ahead 1/3.
All engines ahead 1/3. Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 058. Range 500 yards. Contact increasing depth.
5, 8. Aye, sir.
All engines ahead standard.
All engines ahead standard. Aye, sir.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 057. Range 300 yards. Estimated depth medium.
5, 7. Aye, sir.
All engines ahead 1/3.
All engines ahead 1/3.
Ready depth
Aye,
charges.
sir.
Medium pattern.
Attention.
All
Standard.
engines ahead standard.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Charlie, bearing 301. Range
Fire
5,300 yards from Bloodhound.
Combat sonar. Lost contact. Fire 2. Last bearing 047. Last range. Fire 30 yards. Ready depth charges. Medium pattern.
Ben ça fait pas boum boum.
Bridge, port lookout, oil slick, bearing 2, 3, 9.
Ah, il y a même des débris. Mais il n'est pas coulé. Il n'est pas détruit le sous-marin.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Charlie, last known bearing 9-5. Range 5,700 yards from Bloodhound.
Ben 240, hein.
New course 240. Course 240. Aye, sir.
Allez, ok. Allez, ok. On avance un peu dans tout ça. Ah, bravo, qui il a coulé Charlie.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey made a depth charge attack on contact. Charlie, sonar reports sounds of a sinking submarine.
Black Cat reporting.
Black Cat, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact, Baker.
Roger. Black Cat attacking contact. Baker.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 311. Range 4,500 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 311. Range 4,500 yards. I designate contact dog. Time 11:33.
All escorts. Contact Charlie has most likely been sunk by Hockey. Well done, Hockey. This is Bloodhound. You're clear to engage.
Roger. Hockey engaging.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Submerging.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Dog, bearing 310. Range 3,800 yards from Bloodhound.
Et où, Black Cat? Bon, tant pis.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Dog, bearing 308. Range 2,800 yards from Bloodhound.
New course 308. Course 308. Aye, sir.
Black Cat cherche Baker et puis bon, nous on va essayer d'aider Oki à
Bloodhound, this is Hockey.
défoncer
Hockey now
Dog.
has sonar contact. Dog, bearing 308. Range 2,400 yards from Bloodhound.
Course 308. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Dog, last known bearing 307. Range 2,000 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Dog, bearing 307. Range 2,000 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Dog, last known bearing 307. Range 1,900 yards from Bloodhound.
New course 3.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Dog, bearing 307. Range 1,600 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey made a depth charge attack on contact. Dog, unknown results. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Dog, bearing 306. Range 1,400 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Dog, bearing 304. Range 1,200 yards from Bloodhound.
Bloodhound, this is Black Cat. Air support no longer available. Minimum fuel, returning to base.
Le soutien aérien n'est plus disponible. Bon, donc on va revenir à...
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey now has sonar contact. Dog, bearing 304. Range 1,000 yards from Bloodhound.
47. Course 047. Aye, sir.
Je vais laisser mes collègues faire le boulot.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 095. Range 7,500 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 095. Range 7,500 yards. I designate contact. Easy. Time 11:38.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Maneuver to assigned station.
Roger. Hockey maneuvering to assigned station.
Antler, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact. Easy.
Roger. Antler attacking contact. Easy.
Hockey reporting. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Dog, last known bearing 246. Range 1,100 yards from Bloodhound.
Contact easy. Now bears 105. Range 6,600 yards.
105. Course 105. Aye, sir. Ready depth charges. Shallow pattern.
Contact easy. Now bears 109er. Range 6,500 yards.
9. Course 109. Aye, sir.
Contact easy. Now bears 112. Range 6,100 yards.
New course 112. Course 112. Aye, sir.
Contact easy. Now bears 115. Range 5,700 yards.
5. Course 115. Aye, sir.
Donc là, nous sommes plus proches d'Easy que Antler. Donc en attendant qu'Antler arrive.
Contact easy. Surface radar has regained contact. Baker, bearing 185. Range 3,600 yards.
Ouais, donc on va revenir à Baker. Hein.
New course 185. Course 185. Aye, sir.
Contact Baker now bears 192. Range 3,300 yards.
Course 192. Aye, sir.
Contact Baker, now bears 1-9er, forward, range 2,800 yards. New course 194.
Course 194. Aye, sir.
Contact Baker, now bears 1-9er, forward, range 2,200 yards. New course 194.
Course 194. Aye, sir.
Hockey reporting.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Proceed to engage contact. Dog.
Roger. Hockey engaging contact. Dog.
Contact
Manger.
Baker, now bears 1-9er, 2, range 1,700 yards.
Course 192. Aye, sir.
Parfait, voilà
Lost
Baker.
contact Baker, last bearing
Sérieux.
1-9er, 2, last range 1,500 yards. New course 192.
Course 192. Aye, sir.
On sera plus Baker. Hein.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 000. Range 4,100 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 000. Range 4,100 yards. I designate contact Fox. Time 11:44.
New course 225.
Course 225. Aye, sir.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound.
Surface radar has regained contact. Dog, bearing 30. Forward, range 3,300 yards.
Roger. Hockey maneuvering to new station.
Maple, this is Bloodhound. Attack your contact.
Acknowledged.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. You're clear to engage.
Roger. Hockey engaging.
Nous, on s'occupe de Baker.
Lost contact. Fox, last bearing 001. Last range 3,800 yards. Surface radar has regained contact. Fox, bearing 003. Range 4,300 yards. Lost contact. Fox, last bearing 003. Last range 4,000 yards. Surface radar has regained contact. Fox, bearing 003. Range 4,400 yards.
2. Aye, sir.
Donc Fox, c'est en clair. Non, c'est Maple qui s'en occupe.
Hockey reporting.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Attack your contact.
Acknowledged.
Maple, this is Bloodhound. Attack contact. Dog.
Roger. Maple attacking contact. Dog.
Voilà. Donc comme ça. Comme ça, on va...
Combat sonar.
Yeah.
Regain contact. Baker.
enfin.
Bearing 043. Range 2,000 yards. Course 043. Aye, sir.
Ah, il y a...
All engines ahead standard. All engines ahead standard. Aye, sir. Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 039. 6, range 2,200 yards. Bearing steady.
Aye, sir.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 008. Range 6,500 yards. Lost contact. Fox. Last bearing 000. Last range 4,500 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 008. Range 6,500 yards. I designate contact.
George,
Time 11:47.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 028. Range 2,100 yards. Very strong propeller noise. Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 025. Range 1,800 yards. Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 024. Range 1,800 yards. Estimated depth shallow.
Shallow.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Fox, bearing 349. Range 4,700 yards from Bloodhound.
Lost contact. Dog. Last bearing 304. Last range 4,000 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple regaining contact. Dog, bearing 296. Range 4,200 yards from Bloodhound.
Lost contact. Easy. Last bearing 107. Last range 2,400 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. Fox,
bravo,
last known
tous.
bearing 345. Range 4,200 yards from Bloodhound.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 020. Range 1,100 yards. Contact decreasing depth.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. Fox, bearing 342. Range 3,900 yards from Bloodhound.
Surface radar has regained contact. George, bearing 354. Range 4,100 yards.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 011. Range 600 yards.
Bridge, poor lookout. Object 1/2 to the horizon. Bearing 010. Appears to be periscope feather.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 003. Range 400 yards. Contact increasing depth. Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple lost contact. Dog. Last known at bearing 277. Range 4,400 yards from Bloodhound.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey.
Combat sonar. Contact. Baker. Now bears 326. Range 200 yards. Contact increasing depth.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. You're clear to engage.
Roger. Hockey engaged.
Fire 1. Combat sonar. Lost contact. Baker. Fire last 2. Bearing 326. Last fire range 100 yards. Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple made a depth charge attack on contact. Dog. Unknown results. Ready depth charges. Shallow pattern.
Raté.
Lost contact. George, last bearing 341. Last range 2,200 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Antler. Antler lost contact. Easy. Last known at bearing 155. Range 4,500 yards from Bloodhound.
Bridge, poor lookout. Merchant ship, CBDR. Bearing 245. Range closing quickly. I say again, CBDR.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple regain contact. Dog, bearing 253. Range 4,000 yards from Bloodhound. Rudder amidships.
Rudder amidships. Aye, sir.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple lost contact. Dog, last known at bearing 251. Range 4,000 yards from Bloodhound.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey regained contact. George, bearing 343. Range 1,400 yards from Bloodhound. Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey lost contact. George, last known bearing 342. Range 1,300 yards from Bloodhound.
Bloodhound, this is Antler. Antler made a depth charge attack.
Bridge,
on
port lookout.
Easy.
Merchant ship,
Unknown results.
CBDR. Bearing 187. Range closing quickly. I say again, CBDR.
C'est là, on n'a pas de temps.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple made a depth charge attack on contact. Dog, unknown results. Bridge, starboard lookout. Oil slick, bearing 353.
Bloodhound, this is Hockey. Hockey made a depth charge attack on contact. George, debris sighted.
Donc là, il faut rester sur Baker, c'est important, mais on a perdu tous les contacts. Évidemment. Hein.
Surface radar has regained contact. Baker, bearing 159er. Range 2,500 yards.
Combat sonar, regain contact. Fox, bearing 295. Range 600 yards. Estimated depth, medium.
Contact. Baker now bears 157. Range 3,000
Royal Brigantine
yards.
has been torpedoed and is taking on water.
Ready depth charges, medium pattern. Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple regain contact. Dog, bearing 226. Range 3,700 yards from Bloodhound. Combat sonar, lost contact. Fox, last bearing 290. Last range 300 yards.
Contact. Baker now bears 155. Range 3,000 yards.
We've lost Royal Brigantine. All ships. Maneuver to avoid.
New course 155. Course 155. Aye, sir.
Tiens.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 140. Range.
Mountie, this is
Bridge,
Bloodhound.
combat.
Proceed
New
to
surface
engage
contact from radar. Bearing 140. Range. I designate contact. How? Time 11:54.
Roger. Mountie engaging contact. How? Contact. Baker now bears 155.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple lost contact. Dog, last known at bearing 237. Range 3,400 yards from Bloodhound.
Hockey, this is Bloodhound. Proceed to engage contact. Fox.
Roger. Hockey engaging contact. Fox.
All engines ahead standard.
Contact. Baker now bears 162. Range 2,600
Bridge,
yards.
port lookout. Merchant ship, CBDR. Bearing 144. Range closing quickly. I say again, CBDR.
All engines ahead standard. All engines ahead standard. Aye, sir.
Contact. Baker now bears 166. Range 2,400 yards.
Bloodhound, this is Maple. Maple made a depth charge attack on contact. Dog, unknown results. New course 185. Course 185. Aye, sir.
Contact. Baker now bears 171. Range 2,000.
The enemy is retreating. All escorts,
Ah.
return to formation and resume sonar responsibility.
Je pense pas que... Ah ben si, on va encore... C'est pas un A. C'est pas un A. Ouais, on a eu deux bateaux de coulée, je crois. Ah. B, victoire mineure, c'est bien.
I am very pleased with the crew's performance today. They really worked like a well-oiled machine. While no loss is acceptable, today's low losses mean most of the war supplies will make it to the destination. We must do a better job of sinking U-boats. I will talk to the other commanders about how we can improve our offensive strategy. Due to bad weather, several merchant ships scattered unpredictably. That made it so much more difficult to protect the convoy. Overall, I'd say we are doing a really good job. The radio traffic suggests we might encounter some lone merchants on our way. Sad as it may be, we are not able to help everyone. We'll have to press the attack on the U-boats to prevent our ships from being sunk.
All escorts, this is the escort commander. Our convoy is approaching an unidentified merchant ship that appears to not be making way at bearing 091, range 5,900 yards. From the guide, all escorts maintain your patrol sectors and be especially wary of possible U-boat contacts. Stand by for further orders. Out.
Maintaining station. Roger. Bloodhound out.
Surface radar has a new contact. Bearing 029er. Range 5,500 yards.
Bridge combat. New surface contact from radar. Bearing 029. Range 5,500 yards. I designate contact able. Time 10:28.
Radio
Contact
Captain.
able.
Send a report to
Now
Convoy
bears
Commodore.
0,
Jansen has
3,
unknown
0,
contact on radar,
range
left flank of the convoy.
5,300 yards. Contact able. Coming in much more strongly. I evaluate as a definite contact.
Captain I. Officer of the deck, set general quarters.
Set general quarters. Aye. General quarters. General quarters. All hands man your battle stations. Set conditions zebra throughout the ship.
Contact able.
Stern depth charge detail manned and ready. Main battery reports manned and ready. Engineering auxiliary watch reports engineering manned and ready. Zebra set. 4 boilers online. Max speed 32 knots. Electric plant split. All fire pumps online.
Very well.
Bon, ben, on va s'arrêter là pour le moment, hein. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Mettez le petit pouce bleu, mettez le commentaire qui fait plaisir, abonnez-vous et nous nous retrouverons bientôt pour une prochaine vidéo sur Destroyer the U-Boat Hunter. D'ici là, portez-vous bien. Ciao à tous.